Hello my dear students. So today I am going to start next exercise. We have 6C. Now the first question in exercise 6C we have addition. Okay, add 7.3 and 8.5. So in question number 1, total number of question we have 5. Out of 5 I will do 2 and the remaining 3 will be your homework. So this is so easy. Only you have to take care about this decimal point, how to add this decimal number. So number 1 we have 7.3 plus 8.5. So 5 plus 3 8. 7 plus 8 15. So this is so easy. Now next question from this question number 1 is add 0.078 comma 0.005 and 0.06. So we have to add these three numbers. Okay, let write it this one. 0.078, 0.005 and another one is 0.06. Now here nothing is there. After decimal point you can place 0 here also. Now add it. So 8 plus 5, 13, 3, carry a 1. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 4, carry a 1. So 1 plus 0 means 1.0. So your answer will be 0.143. Now next question we have subtraction. Okay, so next question we have subtract. Number 1, 8.23 from 9.57. Okay, so first we'll write this number 9.57 minus 8.23. So 7 minus 3 we have 4, 5 minus 2 we have 3 and 9 minus 8 we have 1. So this is your answer for question number 1. Now, in subtraction, total number of question we have 6. Out of 6, I will do 3 and 3 will be your homework. So, second one we have 0.0096 from 0.07. Okay, so first we write 0.07 minus we have 0.00096. Now, here see 0.07. So after this 7 you can put 0 also, 0, 0, 0. Now it will be easier for you to subtract. So here you have to carry on. Now this one will be 10, 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. Now this one is your 9. 9 minus 9 we have 0. Then here we have 9. So this 9 will come. Now this one is already taken. So this one is your 6. Then a 0.0. So this is the answer for question number 4. 0.06904. Now I will do one more question from this, question number 2. So next question we have subtract 293.028 from 400.016. So from this number we have to subtract 293.028. Okay, so we'll write a 400.016 minus 293.028. Okay, now here we have to carry 1. So 16 minus 8, 8. Now this one is 0. So from here you have to carry 1 more. Okay, now this will be your 3. So you have to carry 1. So this will be your 10. 10 minus 2 we have 8. Now this one is 9 point. Here also 9 minus 3 6. Then here also 9 minus 9 0. Now 3 minus 2 1. So here we have 106.988. So this is the answer for question number 2, 6. Okay, question number 6. So now I am going to start question number 3. Okay, next question we have simplified. Question number 3-1. Okay, so there are 4 questions. Out of that, 2 I will solve, and the remaining 2 you have to try by yourself. So first question we have 8 minus 0.5 minus 0.78 minus 0.04. So in the chapter number 3, I think, a number system. So there I have taught you how to add the number if all the numbers have negative sign. So we will do it this one in right side. So here we have 0.5, okay, 0.78, here 0.04. Now here we can put 0. Now if all the numbers have negative sign, number will be added but sign will remain a minus. So first we will add that. So 8 plus 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13, 3 carry 1, so 0.1. So here 8 minus all this number by adding, how much we got? We got 1.32. 1.32. Now you have to do one more thing. Now 8 minus 1.32. So how to subtract this? Okay, we can write this one as 8.00 minus 1.32. Okay, so this one can be written as 8.00. 8.00 is nothing but it is 8. So in order to make this subtraction easier, I am writing in this form. So here 1 minus 3, 2. Now what we'll do, we will carry 1. So 10, 10 minus 2, we have 8. Now this one is 9, 9 minus 3, 6. Point. This one is already 7, 7 minus 1, 6. So how much we'll get here? It will be 6.68. So this is the answer for this question number 1, simplify. Next, simplify. Question number 3, we have 41.73 minus 8.74 minus 7.68 minus 13.06. So we will follow the same method like whatever we have done in question number 1. So first I will add all this negative number, okay, but after adding, what sign will write? We'll write minus sign, okay. So here we will do that. 8.774, here we have 7.68, here we have 13.06. So first we will add this number, okay. So 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 8, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 4, carry 1, point, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 16 plus 3, 19, 9, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So how much we are getting here? 41.73 minus, okay. After adding this number, what sign we have to put? We have to put minus. So minus 29.48. Now again we can subtract this. Here in right side we can do 41.73 minus 29.48. So 13 minus 8, 5. This one is 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Point. Here 9 minus 1 minus 9, it will not go, we have to take 1. So 11, 11 minus 9, 2. Now this one is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So here we'll get 1.225. So this is the answer for question number 3. And the remaining part from this simplify will be your homework. Now we have question number 4. So word problem, okay. This question number 4 is a word problem, and first you have to understand the question here. So Shreya bought a book for rupees 127.50, a geometry box for rupees 54.25, and a notebook for rupees 24.75. So how much money she spent? So she is spending some amount of money for book, for geometry box and for notebook. So what is the total spending of Shreya? So we have to calculate that. So in order to calculate, we have to add the expenses made by her. Okay, expenses on book, notebook, as well as on geometry box. So first, expenses on, or money spent on book. How much she spent? 127.50. Geometry box, she spent how much rupees? 54.25. And for notebook, what is the total expenditure? 24.75. So we will add that. Okay, we will add 127.50, geometry box 54.25, notebook we have 24.75. Now we have to add this. So after adding, whatever the total amount we will get, that will be the total spending of Shreya. So here 5 plus 5 10, 0 carry 1. So 5 plus 1 6, plus 2 8, 8 plus 7 15, 5 carry 1. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, plus 4 16, 6. Here decimal point, 6 carry 1. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 2 10, 0 carry 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So total spending of Shreya is equals to 206 rupees 50 paise. So this is your answer, and the remaining question we will solve in the next class.